is formulas and functions. The objectives for this section is to solve a formula for one of its variables, and then to write an equation in function form. Today, however, we will only be concentrating on the first part of it, which is to solve a formula for one of its variables, and tomorrow we will start learning what function form means and how to use it. So according to the book, a formula is an algebraic equation that relates two or more real-life quantities. Many of you have used formulas without even realizing it, such as area, volume, and density. And also, many science equations are actually formulas. So the first example that we're going to use is solving and using an area formula. And for this specific example, it's the area of a rectangle, which is area equals length times width. Now, the first part of the example, we are going to solve the equation for length in terms of area and width. So can anyone tell me what you want to do to get length by itself? Very good. Which gives you length equals area divided by width. Now the second part of the example, we're going to use that new formula to find the length of a rectangle with an area of 35 square feet and a width of 7 feet. Now the first thing I like to do whenever I use a formula is to say what each variable is, because later on the formulas might get confusing and you also might use it more than once and you might get confused about which value is which variable. So can anyone tell me the area?
35 square.
Very good. Okay. What about the width?
7 feet.
That is very good. Now, since length is what we were trying to find, I like to put a question mark just to remind myself that that is the variable that I want to look for. So can anyone tell me what this would be if you plug in the values? Good. Okay, that is very good. Now, you always want to make sure that whenever the formula or an equation has units, you want to plug in the units and have the answer in terms of the unit. So this formula will be length equals 5 feet. So the second example that we're going to do is we're going to solve a temperature conversion formula. Basically, we're going to solve the formula that for Celsius in terms of Fahrenheit. Now, most of you are aware the United States is in Fahrenheit. However, most of the world, such as Europe, are in Celsius. So say you want to go visit Paris. The temperature you be given is Celsius, and if you don't know how to convert, then you might be lost that when it says 0 degrees Celsius, they don't mean that it's below freezing. They mean that it is actually 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is all freezing temperature. So can anyone tell me what the first thing you want to do to get Fahrenheit or F by itself?
Multiply by the reciprocal fraction.
Very good. What would that be?
3 times the 9/5.
Yeah. You always want to multiply both sides. So you'll get 9/5 Celsius or 9/5 C equals Fahrenheit or F minus 32 degrees. So what do you want to do next to get Fahrenheit by itself?
Add 32.
That is very good. Make sure you do it to both sides. And you get Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 Celsius plus 32. So we're going to start the next example, which is solving and using an interest formula. So for this example, the interest, or I, on a simple invested key dollars at an interest rate. Okay, we will continue this one tomorrow. So because we got an hour out of time.